everyone. So, lot of time it happens that हमें on the spot किसी टॉपिक पे बोलना होता है and we fall short of words. हमें पता ही नहीं होता क्या बोलना है, we go blank. So, आज का जो टॉपिक है वो आपको मदद करेगा कि कभी अगर आपको किसी टॉपिक पे on the spot बोलना पड़े तो आप किस तरीके से उस टॉपिक पर बोल सकते हैं without falling short of words, without going blank. ये किसी ऑन द स्पॉट टॉपिक पर ही नहीं, किसी भी चीज पर आपको, दुनिया की किसी भी टॉपिक पर आपको बोलने में मदद करेगा. तो वो क्या चीजें हैं, लेट्स सी. सो सबसे पहले देखिए, हमें अपने आप से 3 क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं और उन क्वेश्चंस का आंसर ही हमें वो कंटेंट देगा जो हम बोल सकते हैं फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 मिनट्स. पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डज टॉपिक मीन? इस टॉपिक का मतलब क्या है? What does this topic mean? That means ये जो टॉपिक है इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Let's take an example. हमारे पास एक टॉपिक है water. अब इस टॉपिक का हम मतलब तो नहीं बता सकते, तो हम इस टॉपिक के बारे में कुछ और बोल सकते हैं इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देते समय. जैसे water is very essential for every living being, be it humans, be it animals, be it plants. Second question is, why it's important? ये important क्यों? So, हम कह सकते हैं, we all know that water is very important for everyone, for survival. We cannot imagine life without water. It is an ultimate resource of life. So, water is very important. Third question we need to ask is, what are some examples? कुछ examples. तो examples में, for example, अगर हम cities में रहते हैं, if you are living in cities, then we have that, supply water on which we depend. But if you are living in hilly areas, in villages, in remote areas, then we have the resources like well, hand pumps, and other natural resources. Now, if we are traveling, then we have to rely on the bottled water. So, इस तरीके से आप किसी भी टॉपिक पर 2 से 3 मिनट बोल सकते हैं. So, इस चीज को हमने एक और वीडियो के तहत आपको सिखाने का प्रयास किया है. So, watch this and learn how to practically apply these things.
A very cheerful morning to one and all present over here. Today our charm topic is advertisement. So advertisement is, firstly let's understand what is advertisement. Advertisement is a form of promotion. We can say that it is a paid form of promotion by an identified sponsor. Advertisement, there are many advantages of advertisement. Like we can say, from a customer's point of view, we can say that advertisement provide information to the customers regarding various products available in the market. Otherwise, if advertisement will not be there, then customer won't be able to know about the recent products in the market. And from a supplier's point of view, advertisement is the best form of promotion because of this advertisement, the supplier can reach to a large number of customers. As we can say that there are many disadvantages also of this advertisement, because advertisement many times it gives false information. Rather than helping the customers, it confuses the customers. As the customer can see that there are various products available in the market, so the customer gets confused which one to buy, because every brand is claiming that their product is the best. But we can say that advertisement is better form of promotion as compared to the other forms of promotion. Like we can give advertisement on television, advertisement on newspaper, advertisement on magazines and all.